time on Antiques Roadshow.
I brought a Paul Revere spoon in that's been in the family for many, many generations.
If we turn it over, we see the mark of Paul Revere Jr. Paul Revere Jr. being the same Paul Revere that was the famous patriot, mostly known for his midnight ride. However, he was a prominent silversmith in Boston.
And add culture, some good food,
Sure.
and a place for people to hang out.
I think for us, we were both so scared to say that we want to be in restaurants.
Yes.
It's true and authentic to who we are. We are Chinese Americans that experienced the labor of our parents coming in for a first generation of refuge. They found it, then they went for the dream. I just feel like we got the choice to do what we wanted, and we still chose restaurant.